Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Sonicare Tongue Brush is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial tools for achieving optimal oral hygiene, going beyond the surface to tackle the hidden bacteria that traditional brushing often misses, ensuring a truly fresh and clean feeling that lasts throughout your day. This innovative accessory is designed to work seamlessly with your Sonicare toothbrush, leveraging its powerful sonic technology to gently yet effectively remove odor-causing bacteria and debris from your tongue's surface, contributing significantly to overall mouth health and confidence in your smile. Number 5. Arista Pure Copper Tongue Scraper. Eliminate bad breath in just one sweep with this effective tongue scraper. It's designed to remove odor-causing buildup, leaving you feeling clean and confident every day. Crafted from 100% pure, uncoated copper, it offers natural hygienic benefits. This metal design is safer and allows for copper's natural self-cleaning properties. Boost your digestion and enhance your sense of taste with this daily ritual. It's a quick and effective way to promote overall wellness. Enjoy a thorough yet comfortable clean with its smooth edges and ergonomic design. It reaches all areas effectively, making it suitable for both adults and kids. This scraper comes with a travel pouch, making it easy to stay hygienic on the go. It's a durable, lightweight, and eco-friendly alternative to plastic. What we like? Experience a natural detox with this pure copper tool. Its Ayurvedic benefits are rooted in tradition for overall wellness. If you're looking for a sustainable and naturally hygienic option with a travel pouch, this is the one for you. What people say. The Sonicare Tongue Brush is a great addition to my oral hygiene routine. It effectively removes bacteria and plaque from the tongue, leaving my mouth feeling fresh and clean. I love the design of the Sonicare Tongue Brush. It's easy to hold and maneuver, and the bristles are gentle yet effective. It reaches all areas of my tongue without any discomfort. The Sonicare Tongue Brush is a game changer for bad breath. It significantly reduces odor-causing bacteria, and I've noticed a real improvement in my overall oral freshness. Number 4. Philips Sonicare G2 Optimal Gum Care Brush Heads. Experience superior gum care with our advanced brush heads. Designed for a gentle yet effective clean, they promote healthier gums with every brush. Ensure optimal performance with genuine replacement heads. They are specifically engineered to fit your Philips Sonicare toothbrush perfectly. Achieve healthier gums in as little as 2 weeks. These brush heads are designed to remove more plaque along the gum line than a manual toothbrush. This pack includes 3 white brush heads, providing a convenient supply for months. Keep your smile bright and your gums healthy. Enjoy an effortless cleaning experience. The advanced bristles adapt to the natural contour of your teeth and gums for a thorough clean. Trust in the quality of Philips Sonicare. These are the genuine replacement heads designed to deliver the best results for your oral health. What we like? Achieve superior gum health with these specialized brush heads. Designed for a gentle yet effective clean, they ensure your gums are cared for. If you prioritize gum health and want a long-lasting supply of replacement heads, consider these. What people say. The brush head is designed to reach the back of the tongue easily. It effectively removes bacteria and debris from the tongue's surface. The gentle bristles clean without causing discomfort. Number 3. GuruNanda Stainless Steel Tongue Scraper, 2-pack. Tired of bad breath? Our stainless steel tongue scraper is here to help you achieve a fresher mouth. It's designed for effective and gentle cleaning. Crafted from medical-grade, 100% stainless steel, this tool ensures durability and hygiene. You can trust its quality for your daily oral care routine. Suitable for both adults and kids, this tongue cleaner is an essential addition to everyone's oral hygiene. It's simple and safe to use. Elevate your oral care with this effective tongue scraper. It helps remove bacteria and debris, contributing to a healthier mouth and a brighter smile. Its compact and travel-friendly design makes it easy to maintain your oral hygiene wherever you go. Keep your mouth feeling clean on the move. This pack conveniently includes 2 stainless steel tongue scrapers. You'll have a spare or can share one with a family member. What we like? Get a comprehensive clean with this medical-grade stainless steel scraper. It's designed for durability and effectiveness in fighting bad breath. If you want a long-lasting, hygienic solution and appreciate having a spare or a tool for travel, this pack is a great choice. What people say. The Sonicare Tongue Brush is an effective tool for cleaning the tongue, removing bacteria, and improving breath. Its unique design allows for easy maneuverability and thorough coverage of the tongue surface. The brush head is gentle yet firm, providing a comfortable cleaning experience without causing irritation. Number 2. DenTek Orabrush Tongue Scraper. Tired of bad breath? This innovative cleaner is designed to reach areas your toothbrush can't, ensuring a truly fresh feeling. Its ultra-soft, micro-pointed bristles penetrate deep into the tongue's surface. They effectively reach into uneven crevices for a thorough clean. This tool works to collect and remove odor-causing bacteria and residue. It complements your brushing routine for optimal oral hygiene. Join thousands who trust this product for their oral care. It's the #1 selling tongue cleaner, recognized for its effectiveness. The long handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for an easier and more effective clean. Reach every part of your tongue with confidence. What we like. Reach deep into tongue crevices for a thorough clean. Its unique bristles are designed to effectively remove odor-causing bacteria. If you struggle with reaching the back of your tongue or want a tool specifically designed to tackle residue, this cleaner is ideal. What people say. The brush head is designed to clean the tongue effectively, removing bacteria and debris. It's easy to use and fits well with the Sonicare toothbrush handle. The compact design makes it convenient for travel and daily use. Number 1. Tongue Cleaning Kit. Are you ever unsure about your breath? This kit provides the confidence you need to feel fresher than ever. It's your ideal starter kit for a cleaner mouth. Did you know most bad breath originates from your tongue? This cleaner is designed to tackle plaque and odor at its source. It offers serious defense against halitosis. Reaching the back of your tongue is now easy and comfortable. The ergonomic design minimizes gag reflex, making it simple to incorporate into your routine. Enjoy a naturally fresh mouth with a clean minty finish. The gel neutralizes odor-causing gases without harsh chemicals. It's a gentle yet effective way to sanitize your mouth. This kit is designed to effectively combat halitosis. Add this reliable support to your oral care routine for lasting freshness and confidence. What we like. Combat bad breath at its source with this complete kit. The specially designed brush and gel work together to neutralize odor. If you're serious about eliminating bad breath and want a dentist-recommended solution for comprehensive oral freshness, this combo is for you. What people say. The brush head is designed to clean the entire tongue surface effectively. It reaches all areas of the tongue for a thorough clean. The bristles are gentle yet effective in removing bacteria. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.